What's up, guys? Out of Work Bum here. A couple weeks is going to be Valentine's Day, and if you're anything like me, you're going to need all the help you can get. So I'm going to show you how to make 5 easy martinis that are sure to please the significant other in your life. If you were to go to a restaurant, some of these things cost $10, $15, $18 a piece. I'm going to show you how to make them at home nice and easy. No need for a taxi or an Uber or anything like that. You're already home, you're ready to go. So we're going to start off with what I call, I don't know if these are real drinks or not. These are things that I've made and kind of, I don't know if I've invented them or whatever, but just by playing around. So what I call this one is the Frisky Cupid. So you're going to take your shaker and you're going to fill it up about halfway full of ice. You're going to need vanilla vodka. It doesn't matter the brand for something like this. Amaretto, cream de cocoa, a little pineapple juice, and a little cranberry juice. Very simple, very easy. So what you're going to do with the vodka is you're going to do about 3 pots. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 of the vodka. And we're going to go about a little more than 1 part of the amaretto. I like mine a little sweeter. So we're going to go 1, and a little bit extra of the amaretto. Then the cream de cocoa. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And we're going to do 1 part of that. 1. Do about a part of the cranberry juice, and the same for the pineapple juice. So a little bit more than a splash. Shake your pineapple juice in case it separates up on you. Do the pineapple like that. We're going to put the lid on it, hold the lid, and shake. Shake it up till it gets nice and cold. My microphone's over here, so I'll try not to shake it too close to the microphone. This one doesn't really require a garnish or a rim, but some of the ones I have coming up will. Or they'll be better with it at least. Maybe you could do some of that red sugar rim or something on it. And maybe a cherry. Look at that. Perfection right there. So that is it. That's the Frisky Leprechaun. Not Leprechaun, the Frisky Cupid. If you want to make a green for St. Patrick's Day, you can call it a Frisky Leprechaun. I don't know. I make this stuff up as I go along. So I'm going to give this one to my wife, and I'm going to come back and I'll show you another one. All right. So my wife got most of that drink, and she's happy. So we're going to get on to our next one. Unlike my other videos when I do moonshine and other things where I make sure my wife's not home because I usually make a mess, tonight's a little different. I need her help to drink some of these. I can't drink them all myself. So we're going to get on to the next one. And the next one is what I call the Bill Cosby. Now, it's not because you wake up with your pants around your ankles and you don't know how you got there. You don't know where you are. It's because it tastes like a pudding pop. So again, we're going to start off 3/4 of a half of a shaker full of ice. For this one, we're going to need vanilla vodka again. We're going to need the rum chata. And we're going to need Godiva chocolate liqueur. Another real easy one here. We're going to go with, because we don't have the juice in this one's going to be a little bit more. So we're going to go with about 3.5, 4 parts of the vanilla vodka. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go with that. Then we're going to go with about 2 parts of each of these. Sometimes, if you don't use these for a while, you got to shake them up a little bit. They separate. They get a little crystally at the top. I don't know how long they're good for, but these are actually pretty expensive, but still not as expensive as getting a cab home. And so 1, 2, like that. But I think these, I saw this at the liquor store today up here in New Hampshire, and that was $23 a bottle. And give this one a shake too. And again, these get crystally if you don't use them in a while. So I'm not actually that big of a drinker, even though most of my videos are about alcohol. I don't drink that much. I just like to make the stuff. So we're going to go 2 pots of this. Okay. And we'll give that a shake. Actually, before we shake that, this one here, we can do a little bit of a garnish. So what I'm going to do with this is hot cocoa powder, or hot chocolate powder. And then this is just a little bit of water for the rim. And we're just going to, my glass doesn't fit, but just kind of mash it around, get it on the rim a little bit. Alright. I could have done a little better on that, but it's been a while since I've done this. So that's that, and then we'll do a little bit of fanciness here with the chocolate syrup. Let's see how bad I am at it. Whoa, fancy here. Alright, and we're going to give this a shake. I'll do it away from the microphone this time. You want to give it a good shake. You want it to start getting really icy on the shaker here. Because these aren't served on ice, so you want them to be nice and cold. So I'm going to gently pour this in so it doesn't disturb the chocolate. And look at that. Now, if you were at a bar or a restaurant, that would be a $15 drink all day long. So here's the second one. This one's going to go to me. So we'll cut out and I'll start off with the next one. All right, now that I'm getting lubed up, next one of my never fail Valentine's Day martinis is going to be the throbber, or the hot throbber. And this one's going to have, again, starting off with about a half a shaker full of ice, and our friend the vanilla vodka, the creme de cocoa, and creme de banana, and we're going to do this. I'm running out of glasses, so this martini glass is a little bit smaller, so we're going to go with 3 1-in-1 on this one here. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was a heavy 3. But that's alright. We'll make do. Creme de cocoa. Yeah. There's 1. And this one's fun because this one's got a better garnish on it. This is the creme de banana. I'm going to do 1 of these. A little bit more. Alright, so before we give this one a shake, we are going to do a little strawberry sauce, a little chocolate sauce, and for this one here, we're going to do, for the rim, we're going to do crushed up vanilla wafers. So, just crush it up really small, as small as you can get it. Get the rim wet, and the bowl is still too small. Next time use a larger bowl, it'll help you. Alright, not horrible. And we're going to do a little bit of strawberry and a little bit of chocolate on this glass. And the strawberry is a little thinner than the chocolate. And this will sweeten it up a little bit. Ooh, actually that strawberry is not going to work. It's very thin, so I'm just going to pour that into my drink. Let's see, look at that. We're adding things on the fly. So we're good with it just didn't sit on the rim. It didn't stick to the glass. A little too thin. But we'll get the essence of strawberry on it. So again, I'll shake this away from my trusty microphone. And get it good and cold. Gently put it in. A little heavy on that one. We'll make it work. Any good bartender samples it. But this one here, I got the cookie crumbs floating around because I poured too high, but that's alright, it's just for me. You can siphon some off and drink some before you give it to your guest, before they notice. But that's that one there. That's called the Throbber, or the Hot Throbber. Hot Throbber, whatever I call it. That's what I'm calling it now, the Throbber. So that's that one. Let me drink these so that I can get some clean glasses, and we'll start with a couple more. Alright, next one's very, very easy. Very good. It's real sweet. Again, we're going to need the vanilla vodka. This kind of stuff comes in pretty handy. And this time we're going to take out the Dr. McGillicuddy's butterscotch. And this one here is going to be the Butter Her Up Martini. It's a little bit different, as we're going to serve this one over rocks. This is more of a sipper. I keep my butterscotch and my regular mint Dr. McGillicuddy's in the freezer, so I always like to have it really cold. So we're going to go with some of that and the vanilla vodka. So we are going to go 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 2 of the butterscotch. So let me talk to you about ice cubes for a minute. You want to have fresh ice cubes. The worst thing you can do in a drink is put in an ice cube that's been in the back of your freezer, that's all dehydrated and has absorbed all the flavors of your freezer for the last 2 months. Make some good ice cubes if you're going to do this. Okay, that's my public service announcement regarding ice cubes. Next thing, we're going to go 2 parts of the butterscotch. This stuff is ungodly sweet. The other good thing this is good in is hot chocolate. If you make hot chocolate, throw a little shot of this in there. It's good stuff. So we're going to go 2. All right. Give her a little shake. Get this one good and cold. This one's guaranteed to butter her up. And that is it. This is ice cold. That's good stuff right here. I'd even use a little less of the butterscotch. Maybe not so many 2s this time. I'd stay at 2, not do 2 and 2 and 2. But that's good. Again, this is a sipper. Just want to keep this on the ice. It'll kind of dilute a little bit, and you can sip this over the course of a half an hour or so, and you'll be good to go. So, the next one is my favorite. Best one. If you've watched this long, you'll realize it was worth the wait. The next one is the best one. If none of these did the job, this next one's going to do it. Alright, so coming back, I'm going to finish this. Or maybe not. Maybe I'll finish this. And we'll come back and we'll do the next one. And that'll be it. I mean, if 5 different ones can't satisfy the needs of your Valentine's Day, then nothing will. So, stay tuned. We'll come back and we'll do the next one. Alright, so I've saved the best for last here. If none of the other ones worked, or if you're just on a combination, tried them all here, if you were only going to try one, this would be the one to try. This is a chocolate covered strawberry. I think you can probably just Google this recipe. I think this is a pretty easy one. So what you're going to need for this one here is a coconut rum. I usually use a Malibu. I had this here. I don't know. I might have got it for Christmas or something. And then this is a Baja Rosa. I can't roll my R's. My kids think it's funny that I can't go Baja Rosa like they can. But I usually would use Bailey's strawberry cream. But I went to the liquor store today to get some, and it was like $26.99 a bottle. They didn't have the small bottles, and I don't drink it that much. We don't drink it that much around here, so there was no sense in me buying a big bottle of it. I don't know if this would be enough to make it or not, so I'm just going to try this one here. This is a tequila-based one, according to the label. I've never had it before, but I think the Bailey's ones are rum-based. So anyway, so you're going to need a Malibu or a coconut rum. You're going to need a little strawberry syrup. You're going to do your chocolate garnish on your glass again, and you're going to need this any kind of strawberry cream liqueur. So yeah, you can also use the whipped cream vodka, like the vanilla that I was using before, but they make a whipped cream flavor here. So I've emptied this glass, as you can probably tell by my rosy cheeks here, and I'm gonna this time I'm gonna garnish the glass first. I smartened up and got a wider container for my cookie crumbs. This is the same vanilla wafers, just crunched up, just on the rim. And if you don't add chocolate to this, it's not a chocolate covered strawberry, because what Valentine's Day is complete without a chocolate covered strawberry, right? So we're going to do the same thing. You're just going to twirl the glass, make a fancy quality design here. Bartenders think that makes you be able to pay $15 for it. And we're going to do the rum. This is Cruisin'. I haven't tried this one. It smells like Malibu. And we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to go 2 to 3 of the strawberry cream. Looks like Pepto-Bismol. It's 2.5-ish. Actually, really does look like Pepto-Bismol. So that's I guess if you have heartburn afterwards, you can have some of that. And just going to give a little squirt of strawberry syrup, just to sweeten it up a little bit. And again, my fancy microphone over here, so I'll shake over here. I'll be sure not to go too high on this one here, like I did on the throbber. Alright. And this one here, make sure you don't bruise up the chocolate. It's a little bit of a weak pour on that one, but that's alright, because I'm drinking it here myself. But that's if you were in the small glass here, you'd have been perfect. But that's that one there. I would garnish that with a strawberry or a chocolate covered strawberry, but this is the best one taste-wise, I think. This one here is the best one. But if none of these have worked and you end up going home alone, it's Valentine's Day, then I would just recommend straight up Jim Beam over ice, bowl of peanuts and Jim Beam. You can't beat it. But hopefully this worked. Hopefully this got you where you need to be on Valentine's Day or any other day. Save you some money. Do it at home. Enjoy yourself. And I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my other videos. And we'll go from there. Thanks a lot. We'll see you.